Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, former scientist in area of the nutrition and skeletal research. Today I want to show you how you can make a green fish curry with a bit of twist. I'm currently holidaying in Kangaroo Island. It's a beautiful part of South Australia, and I managed to caught a couple of fish, a couple of salmon and a few mullet, and I already filleted them for the debone, and I decided to cook some green curry. And I went and bought that green curry paste, which seems okay, but when I look at the ingredient, I find 22 grams of sugar per 100, which is a fair bit of sugar, but I'm going to use a bit of this. But in order to just dilute the amount of the sugar and make it a bit even tastier, I'm going to add my own onion, garlic, gingers and fresh coriander, and then I add a bit of a spoon of this to give it a bit of heat. I have that cute chili which I'm going to add it in, and then finally I'm going to add coconut cream. Then the next stage I'm going to show you how you can add your fish and vegetable, and I'm going to cook it with some white rice. But let's get the start to preparing this. Onion, I already add some olive oil here. I'm going to add the chopped onion. I'm going to add a bit of salt, not much, because that paste, green curry paste, has some salt in it, and a bit of curry powder, and mix them. When the onion starts to become a bit more transparent and soft, I'm going to add our garlic and ginger. This chopped green chili goes in. I'm going to use maybe 2 tablespoons of that Thai green paste. 1, 2, just quickly fry the ingredient. Now I'm going to add that coconut cream. I'm going to put the lid, and I'm going to chop now our coriander. I'm not going to do chucking those parts because have more flavor. Therefore I'm cutting from here. I keep some of them for garnish, therefore maybe half of it, and the other half I'm chopping all of them thinly. And I taste the basically sauce. It was quite chilly, therefore I'm not going to add this one to it because it's chilly enough. And now I'm going to add this one to our pot. Base is going nicely. I'm going to add all of those coriander here. Add a bit of water.
What have you caught, Rez?
Salmon.
Salmon off King's Coat Jetty. How nice
Salmon
is that?
fillet, and that part is a bloodline. If you just go with the knife. Try to get as much as you can. And that part is very good bait for catching the next one. Good, all done. For now, I'm going to add those fish and vegetable to our sauce and just let it cook a bit, and then I'm going to prepare our rice. Because I chop a lot of those stuff and it's not kind of in the paste form, at the moment before adding our fish, I'm gonna just put it in mixer and just blend everything to make it a bit nicer looking, and then I'm going to add our fish to it. After the paste become a bit cooler, I transfer it to blender and just blend it. As you can see, it become very nice, smooth and bright green curry paste. I put it back to the pot and bring it quickly to the boil again. When the paste came to the boil, I add our stir fry mixed vegetable. I usually use this one. It's quite good and it goes well with a lot of Asian style food, especially Thai food. After adding our frozen vegetable, I just mix them with the paste and put the lid, just bring it to the boil before adding our fish to it. Our green curry back to the bowl. At final stage, I'm going to add our fish fillet, and it takes roughly about 10 to 15 minutes max, and our fish green curry is ready to serve. The fact is, cooking like this is not just about eating well. It is about slowing down, connecting with nature, and sharing something special with the people we love. Here you have it, a fresh, healthy, green fish curry. This food not only is very nutritious, it tastes fantastic as well. It's especially nutritious for people around my age, middle age, because it's full of the good source of the protein through that salmon fish. Also, that salmon fish to provide good omega-3 source for me, which helps my brain works better, my joints works better, and I maintain the healthier cardiovascular systems. In top of it, we have spices such as turmeric, garlic, ginger, which they gave me a lot of anti-inflammatory benefit as well as boost my immune systems. Therefore, healthy cooking is not complex and takes a lot of time. Just is about buying fresh ingredient and put it together and enjoy that process of the preparing the meal, because it's part of relaxation and it's good for your mind and well-being as well. Then hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. And if you don't want to miss any of those basic tips which make you healthier and make you be better version of yourself, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. In the end, I want to again thank you all for giving your time to me and watching my video. Until next video, please eat healthy, be active, and be curious. Bye for now.